Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect DoorDash for Business to manage restaurant promotions, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect DoorDash for Business and manage restaurant promotions, start by visiting the DoorDash for Business website. Click on the sign up button if you don't already have an account. If you have an account, click on log in and enter your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Promotions tab on the left-hand menu. Click on it to access the Promotions Management section. Here, you will see existing promotions and an option to create new ones. To create a new promotion, click the Create Promotion button. Select the type of promotion you want to offer, such as discounts or free items. Fill in the required details, including the promotion name, type, and applicable dates. Set the conditions for the promotion, such as minimum order value or specific items included. After entering all the necessary information, review the details for accuracy. If everything looks good, click the Save button to finalize your promotion. Once saved, the new promotion will appear in your promotions list. You can then monitor its performance through the dashboard. To edit or deactivate a promotion, simply click on the promotion in the list. Make any necessary adjustments and save your changes. You can also schedule promotions for future dates by adjusting the start and end times. Be sure to promote your offers across your marketing channels to maximize reach. Regularly revisit your promotions to keep them fresh and aligned with customer preferences. Utilizing data insights from the promotions section can help you make informed decisions for future offers. This completes the guide on connecting DoorDash for Business to manage your restaurant promotions effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.